The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
No, you mad me now go cross this. Yo, look on Sandy Gully. Watch ya, man. Yo, this rough. Right at Sandy Gully. It's not pretty at all. Watch ya, man. See if I'm on brave enough to go through it. Yo, fuck yeah, man. Him lucky you.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I want to say big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, some time ago, I put a post out there, I made a video, and that video shows of a vehicle that had washed away by heavy waters in that same fording that I just showed you in this video now. Alright? And I try my best to get the word out there to let others know that they should avoid not only this fording or heavy water running at the place that is considered as a road, but to avoid any form of situation like this, right? Any flooded area, road, this, that, anywhere that you are going to drive and you see that the water is high, it's too much, it's flooding, it's running heavy, you should avoid these areas. Because look at this video. I just presented a video to you that shows off not only vehicles reaching that place and turn back, but a vehicle, a person in a vehicle rushed across to try and beat the heavy waters, and at the end of going across almost washed away as well. So you see it. So I'm going to say this again, you see me, and I hope I can reach as much people as possible with this. Avoid trying to drive through flooded areas. It can be very dangerous. You can lose your life because of this thing, alright? And this warning is not for only people who are driving, This warning is not for only the motorists, but this warning is for persons who are also walking as well, alright? So whether walk, riding or driving, avoid trying to cross fordings or any flooded areas, alright? It is dangerous, alright? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about what I've just showed you in the video, where it shows of a vehicle almost washed away by heavy waters at a fording, alright? And you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, they have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what go on. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.